We know that finding the exact information you need can be difficult. Here we show you how to search the HRB National Drugs Library using our simple search page. Search our complete collection by clicking the search link on the blue banner. It may be useful to consider your search in terms of 1 or 2 keywords. You don't need to include the word drugs or substance, as most of our collection relates to these. The simple search gives you 3 options. You can use the title, subject, or all field search boxes. The title box is used, as its name suggests, when you want to find a specific publication. Or it can be used to find everything we have which are keywords in the title. So, if for example, you wanted to know about cocaine treatment, type these 2 words into the search box and click search. Your results will show everything we have with these 2 words in the title. Please be aware, however, that this title box only searches publication titles, so you may get some very relevant results, but will probably miss many items in our collection that are about your topic, but the word isn't mentioned in the title. This is why the subject search box is useful. When we add a new publication to our collection, we assign subjects or keywords to it. For more information, please see our video on library subjects. If we type our 2 keywords into the subject box and click search, our results bring back all results on those 2 subjects. Where we have more than 20 results for a publication type, such as article, click See All Results. If you get too many results, go back to the search page and add an extra word. Or if you get too few, remove a word or use the final option. The All Fields box. This searches for your words including titles, abstracts, and subjects. For common words like cocaine and treatment, you will get too many results. So, we suggest you use this all field box primarily for rare or unusual keywords. For example, if you are interested in nightclub settings, we don't use the subject nightclub, so you wouldn't get results using that box. Using the all fields and type nightclub, you get quite a few results. If you click on 1 or 2 of the most relevant and look at their subjects, you can see we use the subject social, cultural, or entertainment event. So you can type that into the subject box or click in the record to see all related publications. Finally, just to mention the options all of or any of. These are equivalent to and or in other databases. All of means you want to find publications with all of the words you enter. If you choose any of, you will find publications with any of the words you enter. For example, if you are interested in finding publications on the physical health effects of drugs, you could type in heart, lung, digestive. If you left all of, it would only provide results where all 3 were in the publication. But by choosing any of, it picks up publications where even just 1 is included. The simple search is most useful for a quick search. For a more detailed or controlled search, use our advanced search page, which has more options.